How many 6-inch subs can fit in 20 feet of intestines? Well, hey, let's find out. Because I don't have a stomach. It goes straight to my intestines.
It'll go right to your
intestines. And because the submarine sandwich was popularized by the Italian-American community in the Northeast at the turn of the 20th century, I'm gonna be trying the Italian subs from 3 popular Subway chains: Subway, Jersey Mike's, and Fat Sal's. Hey everybody, welcome to Try It Without a Stomach. This right here is where I taste test foods without a stomach because mine was totally removed. That's right, due to a very serious soupçon of stomach cancer. And no, I can't actually finish any of these in one go. Since I don't have a stomach for digestion and nowhere for all of this sustenance to live, I have to take cute little bites and I have to keep my sub to intestine ratio super minimum these days. But let's get to the meat of things, specifically the deli meat. Whether you call it a hoagie, a hero, a grinder, I don't really care what you call it. Today, I'm eating it. Let's start with Subway, shall we? Subway.
Subway, eat fresh.
Most of my childhood, Subway was the only sub option. Going on a road trip? Well, you can find a foot long in every truck stop along the way. Okay, let's take this. Oh, that's a sub. The onions are very oniony. Whoa.
Ew.
This is the Italian BMT. It's got spicy pepperoni, salami, ham, provolone cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and mayo. In case you're wondering, BMT stands for biggest, meatiest, tastiest, and it looks big and meaty to me. So, I think the name does actually hold up. So let's find out actually how it tastes. Ooh, every time I can see sauce, I feel safe, truly, because that means that I'm going to eat it and it is going to be easier to go down my gullet and then make that hard left turn straight into the intestines. So basically it goes like this. Nom, 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 nom. Mm-hmm. That was a weird sound effect. But now you get it. Okay, let's take a test. I'm gonna take a smaller bite. Wow. So incredibly dry. Definitely the meat is in there, but I do think that there's a disconnect between the way a Subway smells and the way that the sandwich tastes. I don't think I'm gonna take another bite because I'm worried about how dry this is.
Subway, eat fresh.
And I don't want it to fill up my intestine too much, but the artisan bread bakers do know how to make a good piece of bread. It's just too dry. Let's move away from Subway and let's go on to Jersey Mike's. Sub number 2, the original Italian sub from Jersey friggin' Mike's.
Sliced right in front of you. It's the Jersey Mike's thing. A sub above.
You're telling me that you don't want a Jersey Mike's Jersey sub? Here you go. Hey, oh, bada bing.
All this from a slice of gabagool.
All right, so this is the original Italian sub, which comes with provolone, ham, and a bunch of Italian meats. So let me break it down for ya. It's got prosciutto, there's a special way to say it, but I'm not gonna butcher the Italian. It's basically just another type of ham. And it's got another pork, a cappuccino, I think is what it's called, salami. You got pork and beef, you got pepperoni. It's all in there, all right? That's 5 different meats. Cinco. Is this the original BMT, the biggest, meatiest, and tastiest? Maybe, who knows? And I got it Mike's way, which means in addition to the 1 million types of meat it comes with, it comes topped with onions, lettuce, tomatoes, red wine, vinegar, olive oil, oregano, and salt. Ooh, wait, this is the wettest side. Should I go for the wetter side? Look at all the sauce glistening off of that. Oh boy, all right. After that Subway sandwich, I'm feeling intimidated by these subs now. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, well, that is so much better than Subway. I wasn't afraid to swallow that bite. Sometimes I'm legitimately afraid, but that was so wet, that just went straight down. I gotta say, Mike's way all day, baby. I am legitimately going in for another bite, because look, it's so wet. Oh. Listen, Jersey Mike's is a newcomer to California compared to Subway, and Jersey Mike's got here in 2003. And while Subway has been out here since the 70s, but listen, I'm so happy Mike is here. I'll trust Mikey all day with these subs, huh?
You're the only one I can trust over there.
Oh no, I think I should probably move on before I overwhelm myself and my taste buds. Wow. Wow. All right, this is Fat Sal's. Their specialty sandwiches are insane, okay? And it is loaded with all kinds of things, all right? This is massive. Oh. Oh boy, all right, Sal. So we're sticking with the Italiano, all right? Which has ham, salami, pepperoni, provolone, peppers, shredded lettuce, tomatoes, onion, vinaigrette, and Italian spices, all on a hero. Lettuce! Too much lettuce. Give me a higher meat to lettuce ratio, okay? I want more meat, less lettuce, okay? Now without a stomach, I have to truly take in as much protein and sustenance as possible in every single bite because I don't want to waste the space in my not physical stomach. I was about to say I don't want to waste the space in my stomach, but I don't have one. Did you hear? Awkward. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for it. This is, oh, that was too big of a bite. I made a mistake, but I did get to taste the provolone. The provolone is really carrying this taste. Wow, I bet a truck driver would be so happy to see Fat Sal's on the road. I mean, I can't speak for all truck drivers, just saying. That is a provolone heavy sandwich. And Fat Sal's started in 2010 here in California. This is also the biggest sub of the group, which I truly do appreciate because I got the most bang for my butt. Not the most bang for my butt. I meant buck. Ridiculous. Hang on, let me take another bite. Wow. See, now that bite was more red wine vinaigrette. I have to choose so much that I feel rude. You're really getting to know me. This is what it's like to eat without a stomach and talk about your food. You can't just take a bite, swallow, talk about it. No, this is the stomachless person's review. So that means I'm talking to you while my mouth is full because I gotta chew it a bunch more. So how did these rank up? Let's find out. And the winner is Jersey Mike's. Hey, how you doing? Way to go, Jersey Mike's. Way to go, Mike. Hey, look over here. You got the mic over here. You got wetness. You got the meat. You got the vinaigrette. You got all the meats in the world. Way to go, Mike. Seriously, it's so wet. It's so delicious. It has everything I could ask for in a sub as a stomachless person. The bread was not too intimidating, even though I thought it was gonna be. And I gotta tell you, so much better than the other two, really. So for me, it goes top tier Jersey Mike's. Second is definitely Fat Sal's. And then third, honestly, like near the floor is Subway, okay? It was dry, not that much sauce. It's like, I feel like someone was mad at me for this. They knew I was gonna get it and they were like, watch this, I bet he won't eat it. I did eat it and it made me sad. If there's any food that you really feel strongly about or you identify with, please tell me in the comments and I'll try it without a stomach. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm not gonna eat any more of this because I'm so full from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bites. I can't even explain it. All right, actually I can. There's like a fullness up here it's like a tightness. It's a very weird feeling, but I know that I'm full and I don't want to eat any more for at least 30 minutes to an hour. All right, well, thanks for coming, YouTube. See you in the next one. Bye. Get these out of here. Get this out of here. I love you. Save it for later.